So going back to the example that I selected is ethene, I consider the lower energy orbital to be with plus sign. Intentionally, we are going to fix the highest in order to be in the lowest in the energy, which is clear from molecular orbital theory that we are going to consider the lower energy in the always as in bonding orbital, and anti-bonding will be in higher energy, referring to be here by nothing but plus and minus. So given the FMO arrangement or the FMO approach of the orbital is psi1 will be with plus and psi2 will be with plus minus. So if I want to fill the electrons of ethene, when I consider the pi, there are 2 electrons. So the psi1 will be filled with 2 electrons. So that is referring to by HOMO will be occupied with 2 electrons. Next case, on the higher level, we are going to have butadiene, 1,3-butadiene. In the case of 1,3-butadiene, as we are increasing by one more pi system or one more ethene, that is nothing but twice the ethenes we are going to look out. Yes, obviously we should not have a myth or wrong understanding that we are going to just write it as we wrote for ethene, plus minus. No, that is not the way. There is a mixing of atomic orbitals. Earlier there was one atomic orbital of carbon and carbon. Now there are 2 carbons and 2 carbons of atomic orbitals, what we are considering. So the fold increases here. So totally we are going to see 4 orbitals in each of the levels. And when I'm considering 4 carbon system, I'm going to have 4 energy levels, that is psi1, psi2, psi3, psi4. Whereas the psi1 will be with plus, because it is highest in the symmetry. Next case is we are going to have plus, minus, psi2. And in the next case, it will be plus, minus, and a plus. And in the last case we are going to have, that is psi4 will be plus minus. So every time if you just look into the terminal orbital on the right end, it will be an alternative arrangement which is plus minus. So this is the very important case in NET examination or given gate examination to quickly solve what is the product or what is the stereochemistry or the stereospecificity of pericyclic reactions, which we are going to learn in the higher level of conceptual learning. So in the introductory part, now again if I take the HOMO and LUMO level, here we are going to consider 4 electrons. The HOMO is occupied with 2 electrons and LUMO is occupied with 2 electrons. And the nodes that we are able to consider is n-1, that is 0, 1, 2 and 3.